Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making fried spinach. If you're interested, keep on watching and let's get started. In this pot, I have shrimp, 1 diced onion, and 2 habanero peppers. You can blend the onion and peppers if you want to. You can also add beef, chicken, or dry fish, things that you won't be frying. I am adding chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, and obey seasoning. At this moment, I'm only having seafood, so I'm having only shrimp and fish in this soup, but you are welcome to add anything you want to this. As you can see, I am frying the fish. I clean it, season it. Now I'm gonna fry it and set it aside. I am using the same oil I used to fry the fish. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. A minute or two after adding the baking soda, I will start adding the spinach, and you can use any spinach you have. 2 bags of spinach was not enough, so I recommend adding 3 or 4. I am adding a little bit of potato greens. This is optional, you really don't have to do this. Right here, I have 1 diced onion, 1 diced red bell pepper, and some garlic. I will add this to the pot and I will let it fry for 30 to 40 minutes. I'm sorry I sound tired in this video. I didn't put out a video last week. So this week I was like, I have to put out a video. So excuse my voice. After 30 to 40 minutes, I am now adding the shrimp, and I'm also adding the liquid that came from the shrimp. I will let this cook for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, I am now adding the fish, and I will let this cook for another 5 minutes. You guys should give this a try. I hope you have a great week. Please share and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.